Today we will learn about subtraction and simplification from the chapter fractions. The subtraction process is similar as we done for the addition in fraction. Suppose we have to subtract between two fractions. Let us take 23 by 25 minus 18 by 25. First check the denominators of the fractions, are they same or not? Yes, they are same. So we will take the denominator single time. Now write down the numerators, 23 first, then minus, then 18, and now subtract 23 minus 8, that is 5 by 25. Now it can be simplified, so simplify it. 5 can divide each, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. So we get our answer 1 by 5. Let me take another one. Suppose the fractions are 7 whole 11 by 12 minus 5 whole 7 by 12. In this case, first we will convert the mixed fractions into improper. Here 7 12 is 84 plus 11, 95 by 12 minus, here 5 12 is 60 plus 7, 67 by 12. Now proceed as the previous, 12 single time. Now take the numerators, 95 minus 67, and then subtract 7 8 15 1 borrowed, 28 by 12. Now 28 and 12, each of these divisible by 4, so you can cut. 4 7 is 28, 4 3 is 12, 7 by 3. Now 7 by 3 can be converted into mixed fraction. 3 2 is 6, 1 is the remainder, so we get mixed fraction 2 whole 1 by 3. This becomes the answer. Okay. Now coming the subtraction with different denominators. Suppose the fractions are 2 by 3 minus 2 by 7. So here we will find first the LCM of the denominators, 3 and 7. 3 1 is 3, again 7 1 is 7. So LCM of 3 and 7 become 3 into 7, 21. Now we will take 21 as a denominator. Now divide this LCM with the denominator 3 first. 3 7 is 21 and multiply with 2. So 2 multiply 3 7 is 21, 7 minus. Also 2 multiply divide 21 by 7, 7 3 is 21. 2 multiply 3. Now find the product first. 2 7 is 14 minus 2 3 is 6 by 21. Now first subtract, 14 minus 6 is 8 and 21. Neither simplification possible nor it can be converted into mixed fraction. So this complete the answer here. Take another example, 4. Suppose the number are 13 by 35 minus 5 by 21. Here also the denominators are different. So we will take first the LCM of the denominators, 35 and 21. 7 can divide each of these, 7 5 is 35, 7 3 is 21. 5 and 7 and 3 are prime to each other. So LCM of 35 and 21 become product of 7, 5 and 3. by multiplying get 7 5 ja 35 into 3 105. So take this LCM as denominator 105. Now 13 multiplied the number, divide 105 by 35. 35 3 ja 105, so 3 minus 5 into 105 divided by 21. If we divide 105 by 21, we get 5. Now multiply first, 3 13 ja 39 minus 5 5 ja 25 by 105. Now subtract. By subtracting we get 14 by 105 will be there, 105. Now 14 and 105, each of the number is divisible by 7. Simplify is possible. So cut it by 7, 7 2 ja 14 and 7 15 ja 105. So you get the answer 2 by 15. This becomes the answer. Okay. Let us take another type of fractions which comes in mixed. This will be problem number 5. Let us take (11 whole 1 by 15) minus 9 whole 2 by 45. First we will convert the mixed fraction into improper. 11 15 ja 165 plus 1 166 by 15 minus 9 multiply 45 plus 2, 45 into 9, 9 5 ja 45, 4 carry, 9 4 ja 36 plus 4 40, 405, 405 plus 2, 407 by 45. Now as their denominators are not same, we will take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 15 and 45. 5 can divide each. 5 3 ja 15, 5 9 ja 45. Again 3 can divide each. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Now LCM of 15 and 45 become product of 5 into 3 into 3. That is 45. Now write down the LCM as the denominator. Now divide 45 by 15 and multiply with 166. 166 multiply 45 divided by 15. 15 3 ja 45. 3 minus here 407 407 multiply 45 divided by 45 1. Now do the multiplication and then subtract. 3 6 ja 18, 1 carry, 3 6 ja 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry, 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4, 498 minus 407 by 45. Now do the subtraction. 8 minus 7 1, 9 minus 0 9, 4 minus 4 0, 91 by 45. Simplification is not possible. Do the division and convert into mixed fraction. 45 2 ja 90, 1 is the remainder, so we get 2 whole 1 by 45. This becomes the answer. So in this way we can subtract between the fractions. Now coming to the next part, simplification. Suppose you have to simplify. Number 1, 5 by 8 plus 7 by 12 minus 3 by 4. So in this case there are addition also subtraction, but it should be arranged first addition and then subtraction. If it is already arranged, then we can proceed, but take the LCM of the denominators together, as the denominators are not same, 8, 12 and 4. 2 can divide each, 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4. Again 2 can divide each, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2. 2 and 3 are prime, so stop here. LCM of 8, 12 and 4 become 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 3 is 24. LCM become 24. Let us take the LCM 24. Now divide 24 by each of the denominator and multiply with the corresponding numerator. So 5 multiply 24 divided by 8, that is 3, plus, give the plus sign, 7 multiply 24 divided by 12, 2, minus, again 3 multiply 4, 24 divided by 4, 4 6 is 24. Now 5 3 is 15 plus 2 7 is 14 minus 3 6 is 18 by 24. Now first we will add and then subtract. 15 plus 14, that is 29 minus 18 by 24. Subtract, subtracting we get 1, here 1, 11 by 24. Nothing is possible here, so this completes the answer. Okay. Now suppose, let us take another example, number 2. Here is 3 by 5 minus 7 by 15 plus 5 by 6. As we proceed the previous, we will proceed it here. First take the LCM of the denominators 5, 15 and 6. Let us take 5, 15 and 6. 5 can divide 5 and 15, 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, 6 remains 6. Now 3 can divide each of 3 and 6, 1 remains 1, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So we can write the LCM of 5, 15 and 6 equal to product of the numbers 5 into 3 into 2. 5 3 is 15, 15 2 is 30. So the LCM become 30. Let us write 30 as denominator. Now divide 30 each of the denominator and multiply with the corresponding numerator. 3 multiply 30 divided 5, 6, minus 7 multiply 30 divided by 15, 2, plus 5 multiply 30 divided by 6, 5, 6 3 is 18 minus 2 7 is 14 plus 5 5 is 25 by 30. After this step, we will arrange first addition and then subtraction. Here is given 18 minus 14 plus 25 we get, but we will arrange this. First 18 remains in position 18, then plus 25 and then minus 14 by 30. So first we will add between 18 and 25. 18 plus 25, what we get? 8 5 13 3, 1 carry 2 4, 43. So in the next step we write 43 minus 14 by 30. Let us write this, that we get 43 minus 25 by 30. Now subtract 5 8 13 1 carry 1 1 18 by 30. Now here 18 by 30 can be simplified. Each of the number is divisible by 6. 6 3 is 18, 6 5 is 30. So we get 3 by 5. This becomes the answer. Okay. Let us take another example. This is simplify number 3. 4 whole 3 by 4 minus 2 whole 5 by 6 minus 1 whole 1 by 2. First we will convert the numbers into the fractions into improper. 4 4 is 16 plus 3 19 by 4 minus 2 6 is 12 plus 5 17 by 6 minus 1 2 is 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Now take the LCM of the denominators 4 6 and 2. 2 can divide each. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2. 2 and 3 are prime, so LCM of 4 6 and 2 we get product of 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. Take the LCM of the as the denominator. Now divide the LCM by each of the denominator of the fraction and multiply with the corresponding numerator. So 19 multiply 12 divided by 4 3 minus 17 multiply 12 divided by 6 2 minus 3 multiply 12 divided by 2 6. Now find the product of each. 19 into 3 57 minus 2 17 is 34 minus 3 6 is 18 by 12. Here first we will subtract between these two, the first two numbers. Here are two successive subtraction we have to do. First we will subtract between first two numbers. 57 minus 34 we get 3 2 23, and then we will write minus 18 by 12. So subtract 23 minus 18 5 and denominator 12, 5 by 12. So this becomes the answer. So this was some problems from the simplification. With this this completes the topic. In next video I will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.